Nice little tutorial today on how to remove your Yaris door handle. Front and the back are the same. Tools you're going to need is either a trim tool or a flat blade screwdriver and a Torx 30. So first off, you want to remove the grommet on the inside of the door. This will show a Torx 30 you need to unscrew. So now the screw's loose, give this a wiggle, this will pop out, pull your door handle out and you're going to push it towards the back of the front door. That brings it out, then you can remove your gaskets if you've got new ones or to replace. If you want to put it back in, it's simple, back end in first. And then you just slide it backwards, push your lock back in and tighten the screw up. Thank you for watching our little tutorial. Please like and subscribe.